Hello, this is video 7 for Math0302 Beginning Algebra, Chapter 3, Section 4. We're going to look at the B part of the previous practice, and it says find the slope and y-intercept of the line whose equation is 6x minus y is equal to 5. Now, it's kind of giving us a hint here. It says put the equation in slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b. What you see here is standard form, okay? So this is the standard form of a line. What I want to do is put it into slope-intercept form so I can actually just look at it and determine the slope and the y-intercept. To do that, I need to solve for y. Ask yourself what you would do to 6x minus y equals 5 to solve for y. Well, some people will subtract 6x, some people will add 5. It really doesn't matter what you do. So I'm just going to go ahead and subtract 6x from both sides. Now the left-hand side just leaves me with negative y, and the right-hand side, be very careful here. What I want to do is I want to put the x first, always, no matter what. So the x value is negative 6, so it's negative 6x, and then the 5 here is positive, so it's plus 5. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide by whatever's in front of y. In this case, whatever's in front of y is negative 1. Whenever I divide by negative 1, everything gets divided by negative 1. And what that does is it tells me that y, because it's negative 1 over 1 here, is equal to negative 6 divided by negative 1, which is 6. And then 5 divided by negative 1, 6x. 5 divided by negative 1 is negative 5. This is the slope-intercept form. Then I can easily just look at this and determine what the slope and the y-intercept are. What is the slope? Well, the slope is whatever's in front of x, which helps if I don't write a box that you can't see through. There you go. The number in front of x is 6. Now the y-intercept, always remember, very important, that it is a coordinate, and it's a coordinate with the x value being 0. And the y value, in this case, is right there. So it's just 0, negative 5.